guys, Angie Perry out here with Ladies Behind the Gun, and I'm at Live Fire Training Academy.
I like all the different variety of guns, and it's just fun coming out here and learning more.
It was a great day. Weather was perfect for shooting. The folks were nice. The ladies were very friendly. The instructors were great. Of course, the venue at Live Fire Training Academy is always a wonderful place to visit.
We're going to load this with 3 rounds in the right direction, but we want to make sure it gets turned over and it fits.
Always going to be pointing downrange. Any questions? You're about to have some fun, you know, because it's going to make us feel like we can kick some butt, because that's the idea, right? Okay.
It is fantastic. We're having a lot of fun.
I have loved it. It's really been great to be with all the other ladies here. It's a nice, no pressure, just all women, and getting the experience to try all the different handguns and rifles and everything that you would not get to use on a regular day-to-day basis has been phenomenal.
Nice, huh? Yeah. I'm squeezing the magazine well, and then I'm bringing this hand around and putting that right up in there, butt these two together, and I'm also squeezing with this hand, and that's going to counter the recoil.
It was absolutely amazing. I had so much fun with all of the events, the handguns and the rifles.
I have been so pleasantly surprised. It was so worth the drive to come out here. WhisperChicks loves these experiences for women. It is the best way to get more women into shooting and women to love shooting. So for Angie to put on this event is just priceless. We had just about every caliber, revolvers, pistols, rifles. It is such a great one-stop shop for women who are contemplating shooting to come and just have a variety of things to pick from. I don't see many women going to their gun stores and asking for this kind of a variety. So to come to this event and have everything and being outside in such a comfortable atmosphere with such amazing women, why would you not want to sign up for this event? It's amazing.
It was my first time here out at Live Fire Training Academy. Everybody was wonderful. All the ladies, they gave their all. They gave 100%. I was one of the instructors. I also got to shoot, so it was awesome.
It is a great event. I had a wonderful time and met a lot of really nice people. I was very impressed with the safety level. I felt very comfortable firing. I felt like I was instructed properly. I'm a new shooter basically, and I felt very comfortable with all the weapons.
Here we go. This is Megan, Ruth, Angie, Shajunia, Dinah, Ashley.
I would say the 9mm rifle.
357 Magnum and the 9mm with the silencer. That was cool.
So far, the 357 was pretty nice.
I think I'm turning into a 22 girl.
I definitely like the Ruger 9mm, but my favorite part of that was when I put the suppressor on it.
I like the 9mm pistol.
The 357 Magnum.
I think my favorite gun, I don't have like one favorite, but all of the rifles.
We just finished up our very first Ladies Behind the Gun event. We had several ladies come out and participate, and we had a great time. Things went very well. I think the most popular bay was the big bore bay, and there was quite a few ladies like, I want to shoot the big guns, and they did, and they enjoyed it. So thank you to all of our supporters, and I'm not going to try to spit them all out right now, but we're going to pop up little logos right here all over the screen to let everybody know who supported this event. Thank you so much. We're hopefully going to have more. Got a lot of ladies who are interested in coming back out, and they're wanting to know when the next event is. So everything went really well. Nicole from WhisperChicks was out here. She showed us some tutorials on how to use the suppressors. They made a huge difference, so there's a lot of ladies that like to whisper when they shoot. Thank you for coming out and joining us for this event. Thank you again to all the supporters. Thank you to all my help. I'm Angie Perry with Ladies Behind the Gun. The job is to get more of you there.